Welcome to our channel. Today we how to design high converting B2B landing pages step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience. Understand their needs, pain points, and motivations. Research competitors to see what works in your niche. Create a clear and compelling value proposition. This will be the cornerstone of your landing page. Choose a straightforward layout that guides the visitor's eye. Use a simple color scheme that aligns with your brand. Select high-quality images that resonate with your audience. Write a strong, attention-grabbing headline. Follow it with a concise subheadline that expands on your value proposition. Incorporate bullet points to highlight key benefits. Make sure your copy is clear, persuasive, and devoid of jargon. Include social proof, such as testimonials or case studies. This builds credibility and trust with your audience. Design a prominent call to action, or CTA, that stands out. Use action-oriented language to encourage clicks. Position the CTA above the fold for immediate visibility. Add a lead capture form, minimizing fields to increase conversions. Consider using A/B testing on different elements of the page. Change one element at a time for precise measurement. Optimize for mobile responsiveness, as many users access via smartphones. Ensure the page loads quickly to reduce bounce rates. Utilize clear and consistent navigation, keeping it simple. Incorporate visual hierarchy through font sizes and spacing. Make sure your landing page aligns with the ad or content that leads to it. Finally, analyze the data post-launch to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your strategy based on user behavior and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.